Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 10 display too big problem on your laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, make sure you're on your desktop. After that, just right click on your desktop and make sure to click on display settings. Just minimize or maximize this. And from here, make sure that your display resolution is set to the recommended one. For me, it's 1920 by 1080p. So make sure you have the most your monitor can hold. And after that, you can go to scale and layout and change the size of text, apps, and other items. And try setting it to the recommended one. I like it a little bit bigger, so I'm just gonna set it to 125. You can even try 150 or 175% if you want. And whatever works for you, just do that. As you can see, if I change to 100%, it goes to a little bit smaller. But I don't like that. I like the 125%. And if I go to something up, it will upscale it. So find your resolution and find your scale, and that's it. And basically that is how to fix Windows 10 display too big problem on your laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.